Smart Money, SMSFX mentor, and I am SMSFX Ken. All right. Now, guys, you haven't seen me in a minute, YouTube. How y'all doing, man? I've been working on something. All right. Listen, I built a bot from zero to hero. Okay. On gold. Now, it is requirements before getting the bot, before using the bot. Okay. But you definitely can get the bot and program the bot and put it on your trading view. Okay. Um, but first things first, man, let's talk about the three wave markets. Okay. The three waves of the market. Okay. Um, I've been working, y'all. I've been putting together a system. I've been putting together a premium signal group. Okay. Now, if you get the premium signal group, you will have entry, exit point, risk management, percentages to use for reward and to use for risk. Okay. It's a plug and play. It does everything for you. Okay. Enter trades for you. You can program it to enter trades on your let's just say trade locker, any broker that you got going, any broker that you use, you can put it on there and it will literally consistently grow your account. Okay. Um, like I said, there are going to be a few requirements before even getting this, screenings before even getting this. And you guys are going to have to hit the comment below and type lock in. And that way I can send you guys all the information that you need. You can check out my stand store as well. I'm going to leave every link in the description below. Okay. Now, going into the three wave patterns of the market, which a lot of us we have a problem with, bro. Listen, the market moves literally what? Up, that's one leg, down, that's the second leg, and then up again, that's the third leg. Same thing, vice versa. It moves down, right? That's the first leg. It moves back up, that's the second leg, and then boom, the third leg. The third leg is what we want to catch, okay? So pretty much this bot is almost at I think 80, 90%, 80, 90% win rate right now. But we're gonna show you guys exactly what to do and how to use it, okay? Um, so I'm gonna go ahead and share the screen with you guys right now. Um, Hopefully it worked for me, man. It just was not working for me a minute ago. We're gonna share these charts with you guys. Man, share, boom, and then hopefully you guys are seeing the charts, man. Hopefully you guys are seeing the charts. And that way I can show you guys the strategy, and I can show you guys the indicator, how you can get the indicator and everything else, right? So, boom, as you guys can see, we got gold, USD, price action strategy, SMS FX, right? So this is the actual um bot, okay, guys. So this is the bot that sent out the alerts, okay. Like I said, you also can plug this bot onto your broker company, okay, to whichever broker that you're using, and then you're able to let it trade for you itself, okay. Now, this is how you're going to receive the alerts, okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to indicators, okay. Once you get trading view up, you're going to go to gold. Then you're going to go to indicators. Once you go to indicators, once you get, first of all, you have to purchase the bot, okay? It's not going to be in, you're not finna come here and find this bot right now, okay? And the reason why I got it, because obviously I made it, I created it, I purchased it, I put it on my trading view. You're gonna have to do somewhat of the same thing. And I have a guide that show you step by step once you purchase the bot, okay? Anyhow, right? And then once you get the bot, you're gonna come on here, you're gonna go type in SMS, boom, it's gonna pop right up, right? And we're gonna teach you how to put it on there. We're gonna teach you how to how to get it on there. And I actually have a guidebook as well that I'm gonna leave in the description below on to teach you how to make your own bot, right? So then boom, there you go. You see SMSFX. Boom, this is my bot, guys. This is my personal bot. You're not gonna find it in the indicator or the metrics or the strategies section until you purchase it. Okay. Once you purchase it, you're gonna favorite, and then guess what? You're gonna be able to pull this bot up and use it as an alert system. It's going to send alerts to your phone, to your email, whatever you want to do, right? Because like I said, y'all, I've been working. I've been working on something. Okay. So boom. Now I'm finna go through and show you pretty much how the bot works. And I'm finna show you pretty much how the waves of the market works. Okay, guys. So you guys have to pay attention to the waves of the market. We're not gonna get into detail on these key levels that I have marked up, but pay attention. Okay. Once you pay attention, you'll be able to understand how things work in the market. Okay. So my bot is based off the 3 hour, and I want to show you guys the wave patterns of the market. Okay, so then that's what we're about to go over right now, and then once we go over that, then we can talk about everything else. Okay, later down the line. All right, we have questions and answers and everything like that. Once you leave it in the comment, I'll make sure somebody on my team get back to you. Okay, so anywho, boom, the market only moves in three wave patterns, guys. And I'm finna show you in detail exactly what I mean by that. And I'm not even gonna go too far back. I mean, I guess I can start right here. I mean, I guess I can give you an example of a downtrend, and then I can give you an example of an uptrend, and then I can just show you examples all the way through. Okay. So what the market essentially does is it moves in three waves. Okay, guys, three waves, and I don't care what it is. So I can show you an example of an uptrend, and I'll show you an example of a downtrend. Okay, so um we come over here, we grab these arrows. Let's go grab our arrow real fast, our arrow path. Boom, we got our arrow path, we locked in. Okay, so look, more than likely, right, price is going to give you, and it's going to be more likely at a key level, right? So price is going to push up. All right, so that's that first leg. Price is going to pull back. That's that second leg, and then price is going to push up. That's the third leg. This is the third leg that I literally try to get my people to live off of. Live off this third leg. You're going to win a lot of trades living off the third leg. Okay. You're going to win, right? That first initial push is the push, letting you know buyer stepped into the market. The second initial push is letting you know, okay, price is correcting itself. It's a pullback, right? Then this next third leg usually is a surge leg, guys. So you don't have to go ahead and recreate stuff. Now I'm gonna show you in smaller terms. You might be in smaller terms. So you got this leg right here, pulled down right here. First leg. Second leg is this pullback right here. Third leg, guys. Third leg. Okay. Third leg. All right. So you get that initial push, that price is going to the downside. Then you get this pullback. Don't try to go for that buy, guys. Don't try to go for that buy. You see that the first leg is developing. Let the first leg develop for you can see what's next. Okay. Now you see that pullback, which is the second leg, and then third leg immediately. Even go further than that, guys. It stretches. It stretches. It goes all the way down. I was just gonna show you like boom, and then now you can use right after this third leg right here. Obviously, you can still use it. This is the first leg, second leg, and then third leg. But like I said, more than likely it usually be surges, guys. So it's usually be a quick surge. So same thing here. We can see these setups all the way. We see price go down. Once it goes to a key level, that's what we're looking for. We see price go down, we see price pull back, then we see price surge, right? So, like I said, what did I say? First leg, second leg is the pullback, third leg. Boom. Now let's go do some uptrends, right? Let's go do some uptrends together. Let's practice on some uptrends. So we got this first initial push to the upside, right? Then we got this pullback, right, which is the second leg, right? And then what did I tell you guys? Surge, third leg, okay? So we not making none of this up. The market moves in wave patterns, okay? Same thing. Now let's keep going, guys. Let's keep going because we're on the road, right? We see price push down, first leg, this pullback right here, I don't care. Sometimes they be ugly. Sometimes they be higher than the next one. Don't go for this buy unless you're ready to get out because we seen the initial sellers come in, step in, boom, and then boom. Guys, it's going to happen all throughout the market. Okay, first leg was that initial push to the downside because obviously this big surge was done. So we could do 1, 2, 3 as well, but then we know we're done. Okay, but then we can always do look. Okay, boom. We had once you see these like sales and stuff like that, the signal go off, more than likely those are selling areas, right? So we could have slapped a box right here. Now I'm teaching y'all. I'm literally giving y'all a game right now. So if you still here watching, that means you getting free game. But we could have threw a box right here because we know we got to sell. We got this is a supply zone. So boom, one first leg push down off the supply zone because we already pushed up from that third leg. So first leg push off the supply zone. It pulls back into the supply zone. That's the second leg. And then we got third leg. Okay. So same thing right here, bro. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going just so we can I just stopped so I can show you guys that the market moves in three patterns. That's it. First leg, pullback is the second leg, third leg. That's it, y'all. That is it. It. Finito. Same thing right here. We're gonna go back. We starting to see sale things. So, like I said, man, same thing vice versa, bro. I'm just giving y'all the sales. I'm just giving this to y'all because I like giving out free game. But when you see the sales, now you know that this area is a selling area. Okay. So then once you see that price, It gave you a signal. It let you know that aggressive sellers are in the market. Okay, so you got that pull first leg. That's going to show you that, hey, okay, price starting to want to push down. The sellers are starting to take over the market. Boom, we got the second leg, which is the pullback right back into the box. Boom, we got the third leg. All right, y'all. So when I say that this is something that you need to start insinuating into your trading plan, I don't care what it is. If you don't got the bot, or if you do got the bot, that's cool. But if you don't, go ahead and get the bot, bro. Get the bot so that way you can check it out, and that way you can go ahead and back test it and make sure that it's giving out right signals. All right, make sure it's giving out the right thing. Same thing is here. You starting to see aggressive buying. You see buying multiple times, y'all. You see buying multiple times. Go ahead and slap that box on under there, right? And then obviously that first push off that box is going to be what? The first leg. I'm not making this up, y'all, and I'm trying to teach y'all how to be profitable because we should all be profitable now by now. If you've been following my channel or you've been looking at my channel, bro, you should be in profits. All right, so first leg right here, second leg pull back right back into the zone, another buy signal, and then we finish the day. Listen, y'all, I'm not recreating the wheel. I'm not showing you nothing that's not going to work, bro. I'm telling y'all, the market moves in three ways, three patterns, bro. Listen, if you want to know in full detail mentorship on how I trade, or if you just want to buy the bot from me, purchase the bot from me, or if you want to get the free guide, guys, or just give me $1 for the guide. I mean, because nothing is really free, bro. You need to buy me a cup of coffee or something. Now you can come on YouTube University and get everything for free because anything that I put up here is going to work, guys. So you just got to use that. You got to take that knowledge and run with it. All right. So SMSFX mentor, I am SMSFX Ken. And if you don't know me, now you do, right? Now we're introduced. So welcome, friend. I appreciate you, man. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And guess what, man? Y'all come back. I'm gonna try to drop a video every week on Sunday, bro. And it's gonna be something like Sunday, like love, bro. All love, bro. I'm gonna give y'all all the love, all the game. All right, let's eat, bro. We need to win, bro. We got to develop all this stuff for our families, man. And yeah, man. Appreciate y'all, man. Peace. Until next time, y'all, or until we meet again.